Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up the voice from an audiobook when you're listening to it on the Audible mobile app. If this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So basically I'm on the Audible app for iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android, and I've been listening to this book, Brain Over Binge. It comes up with this little section at the bottom. Click in there, and then from there, this is the listening page. On the bottom left of the listening page, there's a speed section, and for me it says 0.7x speed. Click in there, and then this is where we can toggle how fast or slow the voice is going to be. So in this video I'm going to show you how to speed it up, so you can do it right all the way up until you reach 3.5x speed. That's the top speed that you can increase the voice to, but you can slow it all the way down until 0.5. From there as well, if you want to just increase it a little bit gradually, you can press the plus icon on the right hand side, and that's going to increase the speed by small increments of 0.05. From there, if you want to slow it down, you can press the minus symbol and it's going to decrease the speed by 0.05. From there, there's default buttons that you can select on the bottom row. 0.7 is current. You can go to 1, 1.2, all the way up to 2.0 as well. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.